I'm asking my entire Steve Solves MS subscriber base for this. I love each and every one of you and appreciate all the views I'm getting. I know without a doubt we can beat MS together. I've always shown you my progress in almost every one of my videos, and I've heard that many of you are starting to feel changes as well. I want to celebrate that. I want to make a video and start showing all of our progress. But this is where you enter. Start sending me your videos and videos and photos, anything really. I would most love videos. They don't need to include your face. I mean, they can be really close on whatever you're doing. It can show just your hands or your feet or anything. Just get in nice and close. Show whatever you want. Just give me whatever you want. Show your progress. Show yourself working out on a bench, or you're using your UVB lamp, or showing what you're eating for the day. I'm not going to reveal anything to anyone. Who you are can be just our little secret between you and me. So don't worry about it. I'm making a video of everything I collect, and I just want to get everything from you guys. That said, we are all on different paths of recovery. I mean, some of us can walk, some of us can run, some of us are still stuck in a wheelchair. But we all are on a different part of our journey. Show me any benefit you can, big or small. For instance, I'll just show you a little instance. I just got this the other day. I just received a video from a subscriber showing her able to flex her toes, moving them up and down and all around. And that was big for her. That is big for her, and those are those kind of things I want to celebrate. I mean, it's the little things, and you and I both know it's the little things that really, really mean a lot to us. You can be in my next video. Thank you to everyone. Email what you have. I'm gonna put it down in the link or down in the description below. Email everything you have to stevesolvesms@gmail.com. I know communities don't launch. It doesn't start overnight. They start small and grow organically, and they eventually turn into a movement. I want us to be part of a movement, and I know you can. So let's start. I started this channel with the hope to help those with MS. Now, it's starting to act like a group, not just for support, but as an outlet to share and celebrate overcoming this disease. So join me.